quick tip for you today. It's how to actually pull off the keycaps off your, and this only works with mechanical keyboards. What I've got here is a keycap puller device. It actually came with my X-Armor keyboard, as well as a few keys to be able to swap out my WSAD keys. So in order to do this, I just take the keycap puller, surround a particular key, S in the example I have here, and pop it up. It comes right up. And underneath you'll see that I have a Cherry MX blue switch exposed. Now I'm just going to take one of these orange keys that I have here, set that in the key, and push down on it lightly, and there we go. Now you might want to take note of the direction of the key. I think the lower end is toward the top, but just look at it as it sets in relation to the other keys. So now I did use the keycap puller. You probably could use some dental floss or a makeshift key puller from some paper clips. That might work. And you may be asking, well, why would I want to do this in the first place? Well, obviously it's pretty cool, right? Because you'll be able to, swap out like keys that you use very frequently. These are often used in shooter games for FPS games. So you'd be able to swap these out so the keys are more visible, easier to read. You could do that with really any key. There are some websites that sell keycaps replacements. I mean, you could go hog wild and actually replace all the keys to make them more readable and do like a white key with black lettering. So that's something that you could explore. I'll also post a link or two in the blog post for this particular video, so you can take a look at what keycaps might be out there. There's not many, but there are a few sites that I've run across. So anyway, I hope this information was useful, and be sure to visit windowskeyboards.com for this video and other information on computer keyboards.